Welcome to this edition of BurnTech University, presented by Breckwell. In today's video, we'll show you how to properly replace the room blower in your SP2700 pellet stove.
Always refer to your owner's manual. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on the stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you.
The tools needed for today's project are a 3/8 inch wrench or socket and a socket extension, or a 3/8 inch nut driver. Before starting today's project, first make sure your stove is completely cool and then remove the power cord from the back of the stove. To open the left side panel, first loosen the bolt at the bottom side of the panel and then unscrew the knob on the end of the damper, and then open the side panel. Next, locate and unplug the two wires leading from the blower motor to the wiring harness. Now, using your 3/8 inch wrench and socket, remove the bolts holding the blower motor to the stove. Please note that stoves manufactured after August 2009 may only have 3 bolts securing the blower motor. This is by design. Stoves built prior to August 2009 may have 3 or 4 bolts attaching the blower motor. If your stove has these 4 bolts, you'll need a longer socket extension and a universal joint or swivel to remove the 4th bolt. Once all the bolts are removed, the blower motor can easily be removed from the stove. Now is a good time to check the seal between your blower motor and the stove. If the seal is damaged, it will need to be replaced. To install the new blower motor, first hold the blower in position with one hand and then hand tighten the bolts that you removed securing the blower motor. Then, using your wrench, firmly tighten all of the bolts on the motor. Once the bolts are tight, reconnect the wiring harness to the 2 leads leading from the new blower motor. You've now successfully replaced the blower in your SP2000 pellet stove. To close the side panel, hold the damper rod in one hand, line it up with the hole in the side panel, and then close the side panel. Rethread and hand tighten the knob on the damper handle, and tighten the bolt you loosened earlier. Now that our project is complete, return power to the stove and check the stove for proper operation.
Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you.
Thank you for watching this edition of BurnTech University. Should you have any additional questions, please contact Breckwell Customer Service at www.breckwell.com or call 1-866-606-8444. Thank you for watching BurnTech University.